Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing an unboxing of Pink & Main's September 2020 kit. The theme is Home Sweet Home. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit is available and it's available for purchase individually. You don't have to sign up for their monthly subscription. I will provide a link in the description box where you can purchase this kit, and also if you'd like to sign up for their subscription, I'll have a link for that as well. Let's jump right in and I'll show you everything that's included. There are 2 sheets of white cardstock. There's a yellow, a dark blue, there's a teal, there's a light blue, there's green, and there's also 1 sheet of their sparkle cardstock in barbershop blue color. It's really pretty. Now for the paper this month, this is gorgeous. I absolutely love all of the patterns and colors in this collection. There's 24 sheets, double-sided papers. They get 2 of each design, so I'm just going to flip through these really quickly. I love that they've switched to loose papers instead of the sheets in the little paper pads, since you don't have to worry about that adhesive at the top of the papers. There are lots of polka dots, stripes, plaids. I absolutely love the watercolor background. These are really pretty. There's some floral designs and then those beautiful butterflies. So you can see how lovely are all of these papers. Now here is the stamp set that's included, and this one's really fun since I don't need to color any of the images. If anybody follows me, you know I don't color images anymore, so these will be great to use with some colored inks. The kit also includes the coordinating dies to go with the stamp set. So you'll have 1 die for each of the images. That always makes it easy, no fussy cutting. There is a sheet of glitter enamel dots in 6 different colors, and there's 3 different sizes and beautiful colors that match with the paper. And then there's also 5 different ribbons that also match perfectly with the paper collection. Here is the exclusive sequin mix that matches with the papers. You could use them as embellishments or make a shaker card. There is a stencil included in the kit this month. It's a really fun floral looking background. I'm trying to find a place where you can see the design. And then there is a roll of tape, and it has a pattern on it in white. So again, I'm trying to find a spot where you can see that design. I should have grabbed a piece of dark cardstock. But it's very similar to the stencil flower design. Next up, there's a roll of glitter tape in this beautiful green color. And you can see how nicely that matches the pattern paper. So it is tape. It does have some adhesive on the back. Makes it super easy to adhere to your projects. Next, there is a small bottle of glossy accents included. This works nicely as adhesive or to add a really pretty gloss finish on top of some of your images. And as always in Pink & Main's kit, there's a little collectible button. So this month there's this beautiful butterfly with a blue background. Pink & Main also includes 4 white envelopes, and these are A2 size. So it's nice to have envelopes all ready to go for when your card is finished. You can just mail it off to friends or family. And then almost everything comes packed inside this zippered pouch. These are really nice and sturdy and great for storing your kit contents or other craft supplies. So that is everything that's included in Pink & Main's September 2020 Home Sweet Home kit. Now I also wanted to show you their new slimline dies. These are not included in the kit. You have to purchase these separately. They have 6 new sets. I'm just going to show these quickly. There's the layered slimline dies. Those are just cut a straight rectangle. And then they also have their stitched rectangle slimline dies. The first 2 sets are good basics to have. And then they have some really fun sets. This is the Sympathy set. It has a large sentiment with sympathy. And then it has a bunch of flowers and then the scalloped rectangle. The next is called Blessings. And this has the reverse scalloped rectangle and several different sentiments. So there's autumn, blessings, happy fall, and hello friend. Next is Beautiful. and it has 2 stitched rectangle dies with the rounded corners and then the large sentiment Hello Beautiful. And the last is so much fun. This is their leafy slimline die. So it has 5 different leaves in the center. So this would make a really fun fall card. I can't wait to try out all of these new dies. And I will have links provided in the description box for the kit and also the new slimline dies. So here's just another quick look at the September 2020 Home Sweet Home kit from Pink & Main. Coming soon, I will be sharing the cards I make with this kit, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.